Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I would do for this Flosstube, I will go through some of the projects I've been working on, some of the whips that I've had that I have not done very much on at all. So I think I have 5, which I know doesn't sound a lot to some of you, but I have 5 on the go, 2 of which I haven't even touched in a couple of weeks. So let's go to the first one. Let's jump right in. So at the moment I've got this on just a wooden hoop. I'm trying this again because this is very it's a solid piece, so I thought that actually that would help. And I did get a new, I think I said in my last video, I did get a new pen, like fabric pen, so I need to redo the lines so that I can the grid on here. So this is the Bensound Van Gogh. I don't know how far I got last time. I think I had the moon done. I don't think I had all that filled in, so I have done a lot of filling in along here. Is that it? Oh yeah, that is a stitch. And I filled in around the moon and started working sort of this way back. So I have got a little bit of progress, but not a lot. But this is very time consuming because it's a full coverage piece, and it's obviously from a very famous painting, so it's going to be a long time. I also have my little just in case you don't know, I have my needle minder there, and yes, I have a a cauldron, but I have decided that that could be a whole new obsession, collecting needle minders. Yeah, if you know, you know. So so that's where I'm at with that one. Yeah, that's as far as I got. So that's that. The next one, I think I will do this one. This is the Christmas time. So this is, can't think who did this, but I got this down from Fat Quarter Shop, and I've done quite a bit on it. I don't know where I got to. Where did I get in the last video? I actually watched the videos this morning, would you believe, before I decided to film. So I think I'd done this quarter because I had to deal with that blighter, and I think I'd done half of this. So I finished off the string and the second mitten in this quarter, along with the words I think I'd done already, and then I've moved down to this bit. So I'm sort of working each letter at a time across here to get this done, and starting on the next part of the pattern, which is, you can't see that, which is kind of the rest of the word, and then there's like little detail here underneath the words, the word Christmas. So just trying to work through that, but I did quite a bit. It's getting there. Excuse the hoop line, I haven't ironed it, obviously. I don't do such things in this house. I will have to, but but not right now. So yeah, so it's going well. I like it, and I'm still using my no-name brand flossies on this. And this is it's like a, I want to say like a, it's not ivory or cream, it's more like an oatmeal colour. I think that is the name of the colour. This is KCS, and it's just a 14 count Ada. So yeah, so it's coming along real nice. So I'm basically done the first 2 quarters at the top, so I've got the same again down here to do. So I've still got a way to go, but it's better than it was. And then I still just roll up excess, even if, like, you can see the hoop here. I'll show you these hoops in a little haul video. Should I just do it in here? I think I'll just do it in this video. So Flosstube and haul. So this is one of the new hoops that I've got, and I actually really like it. But even though you've got a hoop, I still find there's excess fabric, so I just pin it back with a little one of these things. It's like a, so instead of using pins to tack things down before you sew something, this is a newer thing, new for me anyway. It's just a little clip basically. That's that one. Then my Halloween one, I love him. So I'm still in the first quarter because I haven't really done anything, or not a lot, in the last 2 weeks. So I'm still in this first quarter, whatever you want to call it, but I have done a bit more. I think I got as far as sort of here ish, more or less. So I've done probably 4 or 5 lines worth, maybe 6 lines to sort of build up the, this is the top of the little basket he's holding, and then just working my way through that. If you can see that here. So I've done the basket bit, and then there'll be some grey that I'll use to create his little hands, if you will, even though he's a ghosty. So yeah, so I do want to work on this again, especially that for me, I'm getting into the whole Christmas, Halloween time of year. so that's, I mean, not a lot, but that's me lot for what I've done in the last couple of weeks as far as stitching goes. We just had a lot going on. Life happens, it's fine. So yeah, I think I'll leave the little haul I did, I'll do that in a separate little video. So this is a very quick one from a stitching point of view, but hopefully it's still inspiring. I'm hoping to get some more stitching done today. It's Sunday. It's also in the UK been ridiculously hot, and yes, I run hot anyway, but like not okay hot. so yeah, so I haven't really felt like doing any stitching, although I did work on the Christmas time one a little bit. So yeah, hopefully I'll get back to these soon, but I will do a separate video on haul stuff in a minute, and then hopefully you'll see that very soon. So yeah, until next time guys, happy stitching!